Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your history on the ChatGPT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ChatGPT application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into your chat page right away. Now, if you wish to delete your history that you can access from the menu icon at the top left, then you will need to enter your account settings. Tap on the menu icon at the top left and now click on the three dots alongside your username at the bottom. Now within the settings page, go ahead and tap on data controls. And now you will see the clear chat history option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to clear your chat history. If you tap on the clear chat history button, this will confirm your decision and all of your chat history will be cleared on ChatGPT right away. This process cannot be undone, so make sure that you have saved all of your necessary chats as a backup before doing this. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your chat history on your ChatGPT application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.